Hello everyone and welcome to lesson 21, and this where it starts to become really interesting. We are going to be talking about Forex trading systems. We will be covering 1. What is a Forex trading system? 2. Why you need a Forex trading system. 3. YouTube fake systems. 4. How to build a Forex trading system. 5. Smart Forex trading system. There is a lot to cover, so let's get started. Before we start, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. We really appreciate your support. And if you have any questions, put them down in the comments below. We always read your comments. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on bell notifications. It really helps the channel to grow. Before we jump into the lesson, a quick disclaimer. Smart Forex Trading offer educational videos to help and educate Forex traders. Information on this channel is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. We must advise you Forex trading carries a high level of risk, and you should be aware of the risks before trading in Forex. What is a Forex system? Today we are going to explain to you what is a Forex trading system and why you need a trading system if you are going to be a profitable trader. Firstly, let us define what a trading system is. A Forex trading system is a precise method of trading Forex that is based on a series of technical analyses to determine whether to buy or sell a currency pair, with preset procedures to determine the entry and exit points as well as risk management criteria. Let me explain all that in a bit more clarity. A Forex trading system is an exact and precise method that you use to place trades in a disciplined approach. You do not allow any emotions to impact your system or place any trades that do not align exactly with your Forex trading system. Emotional trading and fear. The biggest problem in trading is emotion and fear. If you have no trading system, you fully rely on your decision making and have to guess which way the market is going. Critically, we all make decisions based on our emotions, and in trading, emotional trading is really bad. So you must take emotion out of your trading. Fear is our other big enemy. After a string of bad trades and losses, you get hit by fear and you simply freeze. Even when there is clear and profitable trade, you will be hesitant and miss the trade because of fear. So let us straight away kill off those two huge problems. We will not trade with emotion or fear. Now that's so easy to say, but in practice it will not work. The only way we can remove emotion and fear is by having a precise and reliable trading system. So now we have understood what is a Forex trading system, and we also now fully understand why we need a trading system. YouTube fake videos. I just want to deal with one important point before we continue with our lesson, and it's related to YouTube fake videos. A common habit for new traders is to spend hours on YouTube searching for the magic indicator. There are millions of YouTube fake trading videos all showing magic indicators, and some of them even make absurd claims to be 100% accurate. Let's get this sorted out right away. There is no magic indicator that is 100% accurate, and if anyone is putting up videos making such claims, it is an immediate red flag that the YouTube video is fake. Sadly, failed traders resort to making absurd and totally stupid videos with false claims and fake information. They use demo accounts and cherry-pick a winning trade to fool you. Please be aware and do not waste your time searching for a magic indicator. A magic indicator that is 100% accurate is the exact same as a unicorn. It does not exist. I hope I have made it really clear to keep away from YouTube fake videos. The worst video I have recently seen is by some guru trader who made $5,000 in 1 minute, and he ends the video by saying his trading is now complete for the day and he is off to do his day job. If you are making $5,000 in one trade, why would you be holding down a day job? The simple truth is he is fake trading on a demo account and trying to fool everyone. There is so much of this type of fake trading videos, you can literally waste your entire life on such garbage and never find a reliable trading system. I just want to point out there are some excellent and informative YouTube trading videos out there. Just be aware and use your common sense to spot the fake videos from the good ones. Let's get back to our topic for today and show you how to build a Forex trading system. We will now show you how to build a Forex trading system in 5 easy steps. Step 1. You need to define your trading time. Step 2. You will need a trend following indicator. Step 3. You will a confirmation indicator. Step 4. You will need to set out your risk ration. Step 5. Set your stop loss and exit strategy. Step 1. Time frame. The first thing you need to decide when creating your system is what type of trader you are. Are you a day trader, swing trader, or scalper? Do you like looking at charts every day, every week, every month, or even every year? How long do you want to hold on to your positions? This will help determine which time frame you will use to trade. Even though you will still look at multiple time frames, this will be the main time frame you will use when looking for a trade signal. If you are scalper, you will be looking at the 1 minute or 5 minute charts. As a day trader, you will be studying the 30 minutes and 4-hour charts. For swing traders, it will mostly be the 1 hour and 1 day charts. Step 2. Find indicators that help identify a new trend. Since one of our goals is to identify trends as early as possible, we should use indicators that can accomplish this. Moving averages are one of the most popular indicators novice traders use to help them identify a trend. Specifically, they will use 2 moving averages, one slow and one fast, and wait until the fast one crosses over or under the slow one. This is the basis for what's known as a moving average crossover system. In its simplest form, moving average crossovers are the fastest ways to identify new trends. It is also the easiest way to spot a new trend. Of course, there are many other ways Forex traders spot trends, but moving averages are one of the easiest to use. This is why newbie traders like moving average crossovers. In our example, we have used the 9 EMA and 21 EMA. When the fast EMA crosses over the slow EMA, we take a long trade. When the fast EMA crosses below the slow EMA, we take a short trade. I must throw out a disclaimer: moving average crossovers have a win rate of about 51%. If you want to find the exact number, you can check out lesson 20 on the top 10 Forex indicators. Step 3. Find indicators that help confirm the trend. Our second goal for our system is to have the ability to avoid whipsaws, meaning that we don't want to be caught in a false trend. The way we do this is by making sure that when we see a signal for a new trend, we can confirm it by using other indicators. There are many good technical indicators for confirming trends like MACD, stochastic, and RSI. As you become more familiar with various indicators, you will find ones that you prefer over others and can incorporate those into your system. We have used MACD in the example for today. Step 4. Define your risk. When developing your Forex trading system, it is very important that you define how much you are willing to lose on each trade. Not many people like to talk about losing, but in actuality, a good trader thinks about what he or she could potentially lose before thinking about how much he or she can win. The amount you are willing to lose will be different than everyone else. You have to decide how much room is enough to give your trade some breathing space, but at the same time, not risk too much on one trade. You'll learn more about money management in a later lesson. Money management plays a big role in how much you should risk in a single trade. Step 5. Set out your stop loss and exit strategy. Once you define how much you are willing to lose on a trade, your next step is to find out where you will place your stop loss, enter, and exit a trade in order to get the most profit. Entries. Some people like to enter as soon as all of their indicators match up and give a good signal, even if the candle hasn't closed. Others like to wait until the close of the candle. You can be caught up in many situations where you will be in the middle of a candle, all of the indicators match up, only to find that by the close of the candle, the trade has totally reversed. It's all really just a matter of trading style. Some people are more aggressive than others, and you will eventually find out what kind of trader you are. My tip for new traders is to always wait for the candle to close before placing your trade. Exits. For exits, you have a few different options. One way is to trail your stop, meaning that if the price moves in your favor by X amount, you move your stop by X amount. Another way to exit is to have a set target, and exit when the price hits that target. How you calculate your target is up to you. For example, some traders choose support and resistance levels as their targets. Others just choose to go for the same amount of pips, fixed risk, on every trade. However you decide to calculate your target, just make sure you stick with it. Never exit early no matter what happens. Stick to your trading system. After all, you developed it. One more way you can exit is to have a set of criteria that, when met, would signal you to exit. For example, you could make it a rule that if your indicators happen to reverse to a certain level, you would then exit out of the trade. When you have developed your system, you must write down your system rules and follow it. This is the most important step in creating your trading system. You must write your trading system rules down and always follow them. Discipline is one of the most important characteristics a trader must have, So you must always remember to stick to your system. No system will ever work for you if you don't stick to the rules, so remember to be disciplined. Let me hammer that point one final time. Stick to your trading system and do not allow emotion or fear to interfere with your trading. How to test your Forex trading system. The fastest way to test your system is to find a charting software package, where you can go back in time and move the chart forward one candle at a time. We suggest TradingView. It is free and easy to use. When you move your chart forward one candle at a time, you can follow your trading system rules and take your trades accordingly. Record your trading record, and be honest with yourself. Record your wins, losses, average win, and average loss. If you are happy with your results, then you can go on to the next stage of testing, trading live on a demo account. Trade your new system live on a demo account for at least 3 months. This will give you a feel for how you can trade your system when the market is moving. Trust us, it is very different trading live than when you're backtesting. After 3 months of trading live on a demo account, you will see if your system can truly stand its ground in the market. If you are still getting good results, then you can choose to trade your system live on a real account. At this point, you should feel very confident with your Forex trading system and feel comfortable taking trades with no hesitation. It is not easy to build a successful and profitable trading system. The core problem is most if not all indicators are lagging behind the price, so what you end up doing is chasing the market rather than trading the market, and this process can be losing. We suggest you use a tried and tested highly profitable trading system developed by pro traders. If you want a profitable trading system, head over to our website Smart Forex Trading and try out the Smart Trading System. We look forward to meeting you in the next lesson, and quickly, if you have not yet subscribed, help us out, just hit the subscribe button now. We really appreciate your support. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section. We do read all your comments. And just a final reminder, if you have not yet checked out our website, head over there now and you will find one of the most profitable trading systems used by over 90,000 traders. Check it out now on smartforextrading.com. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you in the next lesson. When you are ready to start trading, you will need a trading system. Smart Forex Trading have developed an easy to use and highly profitable trading system which we will share with you now.
If you're struggling to make money in Forex, you need to try this amazing trading system. I want to share with you today a highly profitable trading system used by banks, institutes, and over 90,000 traders. The Smart system tells you exactly when to buy and to sell. It's easy to follow, and it takes all the stress and worry out of trading. In fact, this is the only trading system you'll ever need. If you want to take your trading to the next level, you need to try the Smart system from smartforextrading.com. Head over to smartforextrading.com to check out the Smart system now.
Help the channel to grow. Like, subscribe, and turn on bell notifications. We hope you enjoyed the lesson, and we will see you on the next one.